YouTube family, welcome to another video. Get into it. Get into this glow. One of my favorite companies, NaturalAnnieEssentials. You guys know I talk about NaturalAnnieEssentials a lot. I've spoken about her candles, her face scrub, her face gel, her lip scrub. I speak about NaturalAnnieEssentials a lot. Her face gel does not leave my beauty counter. It stays right here all day, every day. I do not apply makeup without putting this on first. But it's not all about all the other products. It's about what is going down on April 1st. Yes, NaturalAnnieEssentials, I'm proud to announce, is launching a new product, not new product line, but new products for the spring and summer months. April 1st, the Island Vibes collection launches. So it's out now, basically. It's out now. April 1st gone, so now the Island Vibe collection is on and ready. She has a few different items from the collection. She has candles. I believe she has a shea butter body cream. She has body scrub. A few different items from the Island Vibes collection. I was fortunate enough to get the candle. I had her other candles that's usually burned in the back of my video. That candle is finished. I'm going to replace it with this one. So without further ado, let's get into this. All right. You know when you smell something and you salivate? That's what just happened. What does this smell like? Picture you're on an island, right? Jamaica specifically, because I'm Jamaican, so I relate more with Jamaica. But a beach in Jamaica, you know, nice, beautiful, clear, like really blue water, right? You're walking on the beach, your family's around you, you're happy, you feel relaxed. You are wearing like a two-piece situation, but you're not going in the water right now, so you have like a little kimono situation covering you, but the kimono is short, not a long, it's a short kimono. And it's like a white with like a little bit of gold mixed into it. And it has like really big floppy arms, so it's like blowing in the wind. And you have your sun hat on, and you have like a nice little, what's that? Like a little canvas bag to the side, because you're walking, right? You're done, you enjoy the beach, you enjoy the water, and you're done. You're getting ready to go back to your home resort, wherever, right? And you're walking, and you buck up on a man and sell fruit on the beach. What I basically said is you're walking and then you meet a man selling fruits on the beach. That's what I just said in patois. So you buck up on the man and sell fruit on the beach, right? And he have his, you know, all the fruits are laid out on his little stall, his little stand. Him have jackfruit, him have pineapple, him have guava, him have star apple, him have Jamaican apple. He have mango, of course, mango. He have all the fruits laid out. And you're just having, you are just like, you weren't expecting him to pop up because you're just thinking you're gonna walk home. But then you see all these fruits and they're ripe and they're juicy and you're just in heaven because now you have a picking of fruits to go home to and eat. So you're there in your little canvas bag and you're picking up a mango. You smell it. Yes, this one is nice and ripe. Put it in your bag. You pick up a pineapple. Yes, you picture yourself slicing the pineapple and eating the pineapple. It's juicy. The juice is running down. Yes, drop the pineapple in your bag. The guava, you know, with the seeds and everything. You smell it. You feel it. Put it in your bag. That whole experience of smelling the fruits on the beach while in your kimono and just having a relaxing mindset and just, you know, exchanging, having a nice conversation with the old man that's selling the fruits. That's exactly what this smells like. It smells like a multitude of fruits, very beautiful citrusy notes of mango, pineapple. It basically makes you salivate when you smell this. Like the first thing I did was my glands up in a they salivated when I smelled this. And that's how I can relate the experience to you. That's what it smells like to me. And it's not like an overly sweet scent where you feel like, you know, it's going to be too much sweetness, like you know, something's just too sweet to lim sour. No, it's a very light, sweet, clean scent that will just dissipate throughout your house and just make any space more inviting. Just want to just relax and just picture yourself on an island, finishing on the beach, buying fruit. That's exactly what this smells like. I'm in love. I can't wait to burn this. I cannot wait to just experience my whole house, my family to experience this. When guests come over to experience this, this is definitely gonna put you in the island vibes mood. They don't only smell good, but they're soy candles. They're made with natural ingredients. They burn clean. They're not going to leave off any residue that's unhealthy for you. These are clean burning candles that also smelled great. Let me tell you, the candle didn't turn up, them lit. Literally. If you're interested, I'll leave all the information below. Shout out to you, Annie, for creating such beautiful products. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. That's all for now. Hopefully you purchase the candle and other products from Anya and have a fantastic, wonderful, awesome kind of day. Bye.